A Whisper from the Woods by Victoria Wirth and illustrations by Scott Banfill. In the darkness of the forest, in a quiet, unlit corner, a seed fell from the branch of a very old tree. It landed on the green moss, and it rolled in a dip into the soft ground. There, it slowly began to grow. When the old tree looked down and saw the tiny seedling below, she moved her branches ever so slowly aside, and a tiny ray of light slipped to the bottom of the dim forest floor. And in that light, the seedling reached up to touch the light with her small, pale leaves. And then the seedling grew and grew. As time went on, other seeds fell and began to grow. And each time the old tree moved her branches so that they too might grow up beside her. Year passed year, and they grew tall and straight and strong. All day long in the warm summer breezes, these trees, young and old, would lean together and whisper, sharing thoughts and passing the wisdom of many years. And in winter, asleep, they'd stand hand reaching hand, roots gently touching underground. One day, the old tree sighed, and that night, in a terrible storm, she fell, and she leaned against the first seedling. And the branch that held her was strong and was steady. And when the rains came, the old tree gently slipped quietly to the ground at the feet of those young trees, her children. They covered her with their leaves, and they sheltered her from the storms. In the spring, the first seedling dropped a seed to the forest floor. It rolled into a dip in the soft ground